Here we go again. This is one of my favorite techniques, and it is a technique that when I do of recent times, it doesn't really get me many watchers on YouTube, but when I first started, or a couple of years ago, I did, which I thought that I'd sold, but I haven't. I did these dips. Believe it or not, they were, I think I did them together, or I may have done them on foil. I'm going to go back and look at the video. It's one of my top watched videos, believe it or not. It's I don't know, got 700,000 views. A very simple technique. It gives lovely effects, as you see, and you would not be able to guess, I don't think, how much this particular video from this pour, how much it earned me in just YouTube payment. I'd like you to have a look. I'll put a link to this particular video. Have a look through the video after you've watched this video and see what you think attracted people to look at it, or why they stayed watching it, and why it has earned so much money. And I will tell you how much it's earned, because I would never have believed it if anybody had told me until I've actually achieved it myself. Okay, on with this one. Putting the pressure on myself now to, it's just one of my favourite things to do, and it seems that other people like it too. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give a very thin layer. You don't have to do this, of a base coat on both, just a thin layer. You do not have to do a base coat if you're putting plenty of colour on there. You certainly don't. You can just do your what do you call it now? Yeah, dipping. Yeah, dipping. You can dip. So I'm just putting a base layer on, because I don't think I'm gonna like do this particular one all over the canvas. I'm gonna maybe leave a little bit of negative space. I think is always nice, but I maybe just should try to copy what was on those. I don't think there's going to be any video ever earn me so much money, and I have no idea why that particular video earned so much money, but anyway, rightio, this is a gorgeous vibrant orange, so I'm going to put some vibrant colours. Oh, said I wasn't going to, what am I doing? I'm going to use one paint to dip. I've got carried away here. Oh my goodness, you silly Jilly. Oh, I'm away with the birds, away. Now, I do find that when paint is as thin as that, it does not do well for dips, so I'm not going to use that. I might try my red in here. I just find that if you have thicker paint, it definitely does more attractive dips. They don't tend to go muddy if you do thicker paints in your dipping. See, each technique requires a different texture or different consistency of your paint. It's not all the same. This one is slightly thicker, and this is cobalt blue, and I did actually put a little bit of silver in here, metallic silver, to give it a lovely glistening effect in there. I've got some gold here. So, well, it's champagne gold. This is a custom colour that I mix 50% gold, 50% silver with. And it makes this beautiful champagne gold. My puppies are after something in the garden, so I've had to lock them in the paddock, should I say. This is a thick turquoise, so that one's going to be Okay. Yeah, these chevron patterns seem to always give a really nice effect when you pull the canvas off. So then I will probably just, because I can. Hey you guys, calm your farms, calm your farms. I'm going to give purple in there. I'm not sure if it's... I've had it mixed up in this bottle for quite a long time, so I have no idea if it's going to actually even come out the bottle. It's been quite a while, so I probably should have poured it into a cup, but let's give it a go, Flo. Oh yeah, that's quite okay, I think. And then I'll just do some wiggly bits. Rightio. So they're definitely not the same colour as what I did on that previous one. It'd be interesting to know what you guys think that particular video earned me. I had no idea that YouTubers or people that put these videos out could possibly make that much money from a video. Well, doing a little art video like me nattering away in my own little world doing my thing. Who'd have thought? And what makes me sad in a way is that I worked in a hospital theatre nursing for 17 years. And I think in my first year's income, I didn't earn as much as what that painting earned me, nursing. So you can, yeah, it's a bit sad. Nurses, doctors, police, firemen, they never get paid their worth. Okie doke, here goes. Deep breath. Oh, maybe I should turn it back. Yeah. I just find doing that, it transfers the paint equally. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Oh my goodness! Look at that! Oh, didn't leave such a nice effect there, but I can absolutely fix that up. That is beautiful. I haven't got a balloon. I'll fix this edge up with a balloon. So I'm gonna blow a balloon up and I'm gonna come back to this. Just a few teeny tiny little balloon kisses, but that is so striking, and it's actually very much similar to the peacock colours, isn't it? It's very much peacocky colour. Okay, I'll come back to it. Okay, I had to go and prepare myself a balloon. It was just an ordinary size. I mean, because somebody said, oh, I can't see small balloons that you put your water in. No, it's just an ordinary size balloon. And I just put the belly button bit over the tap and let it get a bit of water. It just gives a bit of weight. And I find, especially with the smaller canvases, it gives you just a nice effect. So I just want to tidy this edge up here. So I use my little balloon. I'm going to roll it, or you can use some of the paint on the edge. Just want it covered up a little bit better than it is, but I'm not going to do too much with the balloon because it is really gorgeous. You can definitely use the balloon to, I haven't got a canvas handy, but I've got this MDF. You can use the balloon to do some kisses onto another surface for sure. So just do a few. I know I get carried away. I know I do get carried away, but I will try my best not to. In this instance, just a few. Can you please slap my hand? I need a hand slapper, I think, because I love doing the balloon kisses. They're my thing. They give such a soft, dreamy effect, I believe, to your pieces. That purple actually worked out very well, putting that in there. I'm very happy with that. Even that orangey yellow, that was very nice. Do you know what? I think think I don't need my hands slapped too much today. I'm going to move away after this one, maybe the next one. All right, I am done. I'm going to leave it, truly am. I've just put some balloon kisses on there. You can definitely do your balloon kisses onto a piece of cardstock and make your own cards. That's a very nice idea. I did have a card today, where's it gone? Disappeared, that I've made for somebody out of balloon kisses that I'm going to send. But super duper happy with that. I think the only thing I need to do is give it a whiz over with my heat wand to burst any air bubbles. So my lovelies, I will put the link to this video in the first comment, and I'll pin the comment. This, I want you to, yeah, as I said, I'd love you to, I mean, I have no idea. They're so simple, nothing special at all. And it has earned me that video over $13,000. Over $13,000, that one video. So, and I've not got 1 million views yet, like some people get 1 million views. So you tell me if you know the answer to that. Why? I'd like to get the formula. I just don't know why. Okay, my lovelies, thank you so much for that. I very much appreciate you joining me, and please do so again tomorrow. Remember, if you're feeling sad, lonely or depressed, do something that gives you joy, whether it be gardening, art or walking, exercising. But if you feel you need help, then please contact a family member or a friend, or definitely a helpline. So my lovelies, bye for now.
Can't sleep.